Just turned onto the Alexander Road. Heading down, had a bit of rain here, it's pretty damp. Wow. That wind's dying off, so that's a good sign. Arrived at Alexander Bay. My God, the old road was atrocious on the way in. Real muddy. Gosh. And that's some cleaning to do when I get home. Fishing a big deep hole here around Alexander Bay. Sent the drone out. Vinny's got 2 rods in, Tyson's got 2 rods in. I think Tyson's hooked one here, boys. Double header. Holy shit. Oh man, that's awesome. Nice size salmon they are. Check this out, eh? Oh wow. Double header, Vinny. We're having that curry tonight. Fish curry. There'll be a cooking segment tonight on the video. Good stuff, Tyson. Looks like the neighbours down there, old mate's bog. Right, here we have today's cooking segment. What have we got here? King Island beef, slow cooked beef and rich gravy pies. Should be pretty straightforward procedure. There you go. Well lads, we've had a bit of drama here. Vinny's rod holder broken half. And his rod's over there somewhere. There it is there. We're going to try and retrieve it. Whoa, Vinny! Here we have young Tyson cleaning the fish. What a setup, eh? Table and chairs, water at his disposal. Unbelievable. He's about to fillet the fish. We've got a new filleting tool here. Let's see how this goes. Give it a Righto boys, we're about to cook a fish curry stew. Kat's given us the ingredients. The salmon, red curry, fish curry. Not sure how it's going to come out. We've got the rice already done. Vinny's just kicking back there waiting for his dinner. Tyson and I have been doing the fish curry, salmon curry tonight. Have a look at that. Oh, let's give it the taste test, boys.
Woohoo! Is it ready to go?
Righto, we've just consumed our first ever red Thai curry salmon. What do you think, Vinny?
Well, it was surprisingly nice, actually.
I know you hooked into it alright. I had 2 goes.
Everyone tells me salmon's a shit fish to eat, but that was
You can eat it like that, mate, can't you? What about you, Tyson? You're on your second go already.
Yeah, having me second. Yeah, it was good, eh? Yeah, it was pretty awesome for our first go. Eh?
First go, turned out beautiful. You hear that, Cat?
Quite
Turned out
content.
awesome.
Thank you, Cat.
Yeah, thanks, Kat.
Thanks for the recipe. Over and out. Late Sunday Arvo, probably about 3:30. Took the time for a while, but it's a nice offshore little breeze blowing here. Absolutely stunning day. Vinny and I are drone fishing. We haven't had much luck yet. Oh, I'll give it a bit longer. Vinny's on here. I'd say a salmon. Big salmon, Vin. We landed a salmon. Woohoo! Vinny and I are just about to pack up and a big shark came in. Just snapped my line straight off. So we spotted the shark on the drone and we've dropped his line out there, but yeah, it's a big bronzy by the look of it. Just snapped my line clean off. Didn't stand a chance. Weekend's over. Head back in the town, clean the vehicles up. They're a hell of a mess too, mud everywhere. Yeah, we're back home now, Vinny giving his big rig a bit of a clean. Oh, well, won't take long to get it off. Good job, Vinny.